Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to the stream. How's everyone doing? In the open right now, I was debating not even streaming today because I'm feeling kind of sick from like the dry air. But here I am. I mean, I'm thinking more upside with its chat writing. This buy side level is yet to be hit on NQ. Most people are bullish. So let's see. I mean, ES pumping more than NQ is. I'm used at Reg Boulder at 9:45. Yeah. We zipped into a 4-hour FEG overnight that we created during the afternoon pump. I'll dip quite strongly. Yeah, so I don't know. I anticipate more bullishness. But honestly, I would like this 4-hour to close strongly, so 27 minutes left until 10 o'clock when this 4-hour close. So far, not much strength there. Q dropping while ES staying near its highs. But the market wants moonshot to Mars. I think too many of y'all are bullish. We're gonna just get sideways action. Too much of the public is bullish. You're gonna make it hard. Let me make this better. There you go. You know what I want to do is it's about time I actually like set up some sort of like background here, you know? I gotta get a YouTuber background. I mean, this has just been plain Jane, my office. This place came with this TV. I've never turned this TV on. I don't know. I'm not watching TV in my office anyway, so. But like maybe I'll get it removed and then I'll like make it maybe an LED. I want to get a plant, you guys. I want to get a money tree. I already have like 3 plants. Yellow gem ficus, like a little tree in my living room. So I want to get a money tree. Why not? For my office where I make money. Only makes sense. Thank you. Yeah, I think I'm just like, from the dry air. Forgot to put my humidifier in my room last night. I woke up at like 6:30 and I was like, ooh. Brought it back and I feel a little better. I'm trying to limit some of my talking. Maybe I'll put on lo-fi music. Microsoft's down 1%. They all very flat on the day so far. Very flat. All gray. Maybe we turn bullish later and invert this. Oops. Sale's no longer there. Okay. Yes, much stronger. I mean, it would be cool to take out these lows back into the 4-hour fair value gap before going higher. Might be okay with that and then look for longs, but we gotta see. Ideally this. We have 9:45 news. We can end up inverting this. I might even enter. I don't know. We'll see. It really depends. What's the Dow doing? Holding near its highs. ES holding near its highs. ES printed its first FEG of the day. Do. We have about 2 minutes until the news. I'm gonna try that. I want to try that, you guys. If I get cooked, whatever. But I think that first FEG getting blown through is like, I liked it. I said, I'll try it. So let's see. Thinking about the ending of this hourly candle, I think it should be strong. So immediate drawdown. Immediate slap out. So I don't think today's gonna be a good day then. I'll wait for this idea then. Other than that, this is the idea I'm waiting for now. Take out this, then take out that. It's fine. Took less risk on that on 7 micros instead of my usual 10 for 22 points, so it's okay. Oh, NQ, you looked too good here. You looked good. Alright, let's see. Bro, fuck you, news. Seriously. Fuck that. Don't you love to see that, you guys? What the hell? Where did I put my stop? Literally right here. Came back into this little 1 minute. Got me out by like, well, it went a few points below it, so whatever. 2 points. There, I'm trying not to I'm not gonna get, pissed off. Let's concentrate here. Didn't close above new high of day. Dun dun dun. That's entertaining. Dun, 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 dun. So weird Dow is dropping. My stop was too tight. Piece of shit. Seriously, it's really. It's okay. I'll find a re-entry if warranted. We'll see how it reacts to this, and then like the last PD array is this. Third one. No, I'm not buying that. Maybe if it wicked this, I would have bought that. No. All right, I'm staying patient here. Stay patient. So far, you know, the first 15-minute candle of the day was like this hammer wick into this FEG. It's tough. But still respecting bullish order flow, so. Watch a 30-second. Not in though, just watching it. Just see if that's even worth it. I mean, look at the close of this hourly. It's 4 hour. You know, this was the retracement. Now we're in expansion mode. Which is why I was like okay with buying this. I'm just kind of annoyed. Maybe, you know, next time where 3 PD arrays fail. I don't know. Let me continue to watch this. So far, you know, it was testing these highs that it broke over, held it. Two. I'm wondering if that's even worth it. I mean, we swept only a little bit of sell side. We took buy side. It's 9:55 to 10:10. 1, 2. It's not really like this is just a short-term low. I'm trying to find where the third PD array is probably here. This. I'm trying that again. I just entered right here. I'm just thinking about how if this is going to be good, a smooth run, it shouldn't come back down into here. But anyway, where was my stop? 30.75. Okay. Actually, where I want to put my stop though. $32.50. It's fine. I want more expansion now. To here. I like how it's responding to these bullish EDRAs, so I don't know. I think that we're just extremely bullish, so I want the hourly to expand higher, continue expanding higher, not retrace. If we retrace, and whatever. I think the 4 hour should expand higher too. See, actually, the 4 hour closes in about 2 minutes. Already in drawdown. I'm amazed. I'm amazed at myself today. Retesting 9:30 open. Stops like here-ish, yeah, around here. I don't think if we come back here, you know, whatever, then we're not extremely bullish into the open. It's already ugly. This close. Let's see. Anyway, what does my RR look like? Now my entry was like worse than that, so let's see, 64. The 1.5 R there. Okay. I'm just giving it more room recently because of the ugly action, you know? Giving it more room, giving it now, especially how I got stopped out the first time here. Giving it 3 PD arrays, so it was like 1, 2, and then this one's the breaker. Series of up close candles, yeah. Yeah, I don't want it to come back into here. So 36.50. $35. $1.6 R. Let's see, you guys. So far, it's just kind of like gyrating, consolidating. Maybe now it starts expanding soon. The end of the hourly, the 4 hour just happened. Ended like right at those highs. Let's see if we get continued expansion or not. Not like break even. But also I like bought an extreme premium, but whatever. How long am I in this for now? A few minutes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Okay. We're gonna get bullish price action. I want to see it like the next 5 minutes, us breaking new high today. Not loving the Dow. What's ES doing? Is ES just going higher? Okay. Chilling. Looks alright. Seriously, if we're just like gyrating here, then I'll probably end up cutting the trade. Let's see if I get stopped out actually here. 10 points away from stopped out. Wicking. Very ugly, not gonna lie. Really pretty ugly. Nope. Nope. Too bullish today. I'm too bullish. Maybe I can redeem myself in a bit. We'll see what ends up happening. Learn my lesson to, you know, maybe when I'm sick to not be so impulsive. Whatever. It was worth a try. It was worth a second try. Let's see. What are you gonna do now? Guys, I tried twice to go for the longs, didn't work out, so now I'm just gonna wait until sell side gets taken. L's. It's back in this 15-minute. What's this range so far for the day? 78 points. Boo. How much am I down? Probably down like $700. Yeah, $742. Okay. 950 to 1010 was here. Here, yeah. I don't know. I felt okay trying this again because it's started another macro for more buy side, 15-minute. Pretty bullish. We retrace into the 4-hour already. Just whatever. Sometimes the lower time frame's not gonna be as clean. So let's see. Getting retracements and retracements. What's ES doing on the 15? On the 4-hour, ES also, yeah, here. Trace into the 4-hour. Here we broke above a high with 15-minute FEGs. And the FEG in a 50%. There's another one down here. How much is ES up on the day? 0.3% NQ. They're both flat on the day. Not really phased. Here we go. Ugly. In the lower time frame, pretty ugly. This hourly just retraced on ES about 50% of this previous hourly candle. Holding it. So now, are you just like gonna not move at all and just, well, you know? Now what? Why don't you just like not do anything? Whatever, happy to get stopped out there then, whatever. 37. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, we came back into this first presented fair value gap. That means we're cooked. Like, that means high resistance conditions. You can have a bullish bias. It could still F you over. So let's see. It means, what am I going to do? I'm only now going to get into longs after a manipulation. After obvious manipulation. Or SMT. And then I'm gonna take like the first inversion. I'm not gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna wait for like the second leg or anything, because when the second leg happens, you're gonna get cooked. That's how high resistance happens. get cooked. Let's see. See if we end up taking the sell side. I want to see this. 15-minute FEG is holding now. Will she cook or get cooked? So far, I'm getting cooked. But you know, I was reading, I read Best Loser Wins like a long time ago, and it's like, he mentioned the difference between Tiger Woods and like another opponent of his, whose name I don't know because for a reason, right? And then he said like, oh, like his opponent said like, oh, Tiger Woods he forgives himself much more easier, like, and he just moves on to the next hole. He like brushes it off, you know? So we'll see. I kind of made exceptions here, buying before sweeps, because just what we've been seeing lately. It's 15-minute and 4-hour we're looking fine, we're looking good in this retracement. I was like, all right, that's good enough, but it wasn't. Ain't that how it always goes? It's like, oh, if you wait, you're gonna miss it, and if you get in, you're gonna get stopped out. Sometimes it feels like that, but you can't let it feel like that. You're not that special. Anyway, we're like, I don't know, bro. We're just chilling in the 15-minute FEGs here on ES and NQ. You know, people that like to take 15, this is like the OTE strategy, I suppose, yeah. Some people just do that. How much did this low fill in? Right above half of that fair value gap. Okay. The previous 4-hour low. And the 1 hour is looking like a barcode here. We haven't moved at all. What is this? 20-point range. 22. In the last 5 minutes or so. Reeks of accumulation, so let's see if there's a manipulation. What is this? The previous hourly high on ES. TBH, I thought we were going to go for all-time highs today, so kind of disappointed in how slow it is, but whatever. It's fine. Yeah, we react to this level. Would love a strong reaction. Yeah, ES at the same time. What was I marking that out with? That was a 15. I was just a little sloppy. Okay. ES could also just retrace even deeper here. I don't love that we took out the highs with a wick, and then we have a series of fair value gaps though up here. So I would not switch bearish. Just gonna still wait for bullish signals. Dun 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 dun. On ES, I'll have alerts if it crosses swing highs. But I'm still skeptical. Okay, let's see here. That's it's literally flat on the day. Completely filled that in. A little gap up. What am I doing right now? Oh yeah, I wanted to look at this real quick. Yeah, maybe ES is the move because it's stronger structurally. I really do feel like lately I've been taking ES more lately. But hey, like there was a point, everyone started in 2022 with ES. And then there was a point, maybe October 2023, we all switched to NQ because ES was not moving, like straight up, it's not. So now it's moving again in kind of cleaner structure. She could be Bay again. Let's see. Money is money. So what was I gonna write? Oh yeah, 15-minute. I want to see the stat map. Near like tap the 4-hour manipulation level. I guess I'll have to wait and see if ES ends up taking that high. It's like 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute point of interest in a 1-minute structure break. Maybe I'll try it. It really depends on how it reacts there. CNQ, are we going to take that sell side? And maybe we'll, tap midnight open, have a nice strong reaction to that price. I don't know. That's the only idea I have left. On the daily, I'm not thinking about TJI. Oh, well. TGIF. TGIF. Actually, no, never mind. Where's Monday? Oh, Monday. Yeah, we didn't. It was the inauguration. I mean, yeah, we did have 4 up-close candles. Might be too much to ask for the 5th. On a Friday, let's see here. The fib retracement. It's Thursday. I'll have plenty of time to pivot by then. If it's actually going to do that. I'd rather wait for reactions at those lows in this 15-minute FEG. I'll get inverted on ES if I'm going to go for the bearishness. That's the only way I would flip my bias today. So let's see. NQ took that sell side. Slowly. Bum, 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 bum. So far, it's not really giving what it needs to be giving. So we'll see. But like, I'm not loving when reversals take so long. Don't love when that happens. Could be one of those days where, we chop until like 11:30. Until 11:15, 11:10. And then like then it surges later on during lunchtime. I don't know. Kind of like on Tuesday. Yeah. CNQ, are you going to make me proud here? Look at the bigger picture here. Okay. This is the first 30 minutes of this 4-hour candle. Yeah, that could be a potential manipulation. We'll have to see. She didn't make me proud. She did not take out this high of a displacement. So just grinding lower. Okay. Do what you got to do, bro. Yes. Might end up taking ES then if Again, it needs to show itself better. Don't forget about this one too. I'll use the regular. I have time to use the regular fair value gap tool. So, yeah, right now in the 15, S&T is there. Yes, much stronger. Heat map, not really much to write home about again. Like I said, this is the S&P 500. You know, it's not, everything is close to being flat. I don't see anything like more than 1% other than this AFCO. 1% green or red. There's not much. So I don't want to get screwed over. And the market isn't moving. Yeah, I'm going to keep my alert on ES on this high, just because this is the high that completely rebalances this little fair value gap, 2-minute. So then if it breaks above this one, it will be an intermediate term high getting broken. The other ones are short-term highs, and you can get, I feel like I could get faked out on that too prematurely. So, yeah. So far, you guys, how's everyone else doing? Are you cooking or are you getting cooked? Someone donated. Let's see. Thank you. TGIF, yeah. Thanks so far. For me to think about TGIF, actually, let me look at the NQ again. NQ. Let me do the same thing on ES. NQ that I did on ES. So. Let's do. Yeah, most people are bullish today too. Start a poll. Okay, answer the poll in the chat. Okay, so here, what was I doing with ES, right? I took the fib from, Tuesday's low. Actually, Wednesday. Oh, NQ did not take out Wednesday's high, actually. Yeah, that's where my buy side liquidity target is, but ES did take it out. Ugh. It's annoying. Okay. So let's see the weekly retracement on this. So I just have it on the 20% and 30%. I don't like that. That's that doesn't really align with much except for trendline liquidity on NQ. On ES, it lines up with like a 4-hour FEG. Yeah, again, I'd rather see more confirmation that, because, personally don't really care if I'm overall bullish in the higher time frame. Just I'm not switching to bearish unless it's really obvious. To me, it's not bearish. Like, I need to see displacements below this. So we're seeing something in NQ now. I don't know what. We'll see. It's about 50-50. The chat, how are you? 54% says they're cooking and 46 says they got cooked. Yes. I thought today would be more exciting. 9:45 news. That was, bro. This definitely had an impact on me when I got stopped out right here, and then the 9:45 news did this shit. Like, are you kidding me? And I thought I was gonna, continue running. Stopped you out. 2 points under a stop out, goes up 46 points in the next 2 minutes. It's gonna annoy anybody. Well, annoy me. Dude, we're just chilling here. It's not going anywhere right now. Disappointment to your family, NQ. Disappointment to your cow. Watched Mulan. I love that. I love Mulan. Don't love this. Didn't close above this. Did not close above this. So rather chill and wait. We retraced the midnight open, kind of accumulated. These candles are not even closing above this little swing high. So I gotta wait. It's a no for me, dog. Come on, ES. At least ES wake up. Yeah, I might like mark this one out because this immediately refilled imbalance. And then I might look at how it reacts there to this swing high, but you know, it's not doing anything. Slow ass reversals. What was I looking at? Which one? This one. Straight up no reaction, no continuation, no energy there. Nope. Let's see then. ES is like retracing to this 15-minute fair value gap. Will it get there and discount, an extreme discount, like below 70% retracement? We'll see. It's so far, you know, definitely not giving me a bullish signal. So I'm bullish for the day. So annoying. I'm not gonna go bearish straight up unless it like ends up, like I said, needs to displace below these lows. But even then, the bearishness, like how are you even entering this? I'm bullish. I'm just gonna look for bullish. I don't want to look at ES on the 30-second. Here we are. We're in this discount. London low. Let's pull the chat. Are you guys still bullish or are you bearish? Full chat. Kumbaya, my lord, kumbaya. Someone said that in the chat, so I had to sing it. Let me think. Is it right? Okay. Go vote. Poll is up in the chat. Go vote. $320 votes in, 35% bullish, 36% bearish, 29% this is trash. Is there split down the middle? IDK what it wants to do, to be honest, somebody said. Market maker buy side. The show is cooked. Someone said they're still gathering the ingredients. Dude. What are we gonna do? Someone said I was cooking until that last minute candle that hit. Someone said the most important ingredient is crime. Yeah, you guys are funny. It's the best. F. At least, I got stopped out at this candle, basically where the market structure shifted, so can't be too annoyed. Let's see. But literally, the fact that it's taking so long to have a reversal literally shows it's going to be trash. What happened? What happened to the markets, you guys? Look at this 15-minute candle on NQ here. Right at it's about to close a doji in the next 14 seconds. What about ES? ES wicks on both sides. Look at this. Made equal highs there on ES. Okay, so chat voted 730 votes are in. 35% says bullish, 35% says bearish, and 31% says this is trash. Guess we'll find out. Like I said, I might let the stream go a bit longer today because maybe sometimes after 11:30 it picks up. Depends. The latest I'd take a trade, my cutoff time 11:30. Kind of just looking at what the stop would be like. Which setup looks better? Yes, it's actually more RR there. Guess it really depends how it actually, if it even shows up, you know, if it even gives the signal. Will it be the start of something? Will it? I don't know. Start of something new. Look how tiny those, such tiny candles. Feels so right to be here with you. I need to close above this. Q, not even. It's not the start of something new for NQ. $10.50. Stopped right at it again. Came back into this volume imbalance on the 2. Come on, ES. It's very ugly. We may stay in a range. Someone says, I know, right? I don't love how it's going. It's still not giving me any kind of, I'm not in this. I'm waiting for close above. Trash, bro. What's up, ICT? Why don't you trade the afternoon session? I do sometimes. I did like 2 days ago. But sometimes I don't have the time and it's not worth it. Honestly, for Friday afternoons, I typically don't, just because I feel like Friday afternoons you're way more likely to tilt. Than I have in the past. Because the whole week you're kind of drained. I have a meeting at 1:30. So NQ is just not doing any. Honestly, whatever, bro. Got stopped out there for the longs, and then it just, slowly grinding lower. What's the range today for NQ? Let's see the ATR too. Let's see, what's the whole range? 100 points. What's the ATR recently? Look how much it dropped. 315 over the last 5 days. And how much did we move today in total from the other sessions? Still 104 points, bro. What? Yeah. My cutoff time to enter a trade is 11:30. So nothing, the bullishness doesn't happen by then the way I want to see it, then that's it. Why would you go long during the silver bullet? It was clearly short, says Muhammad. Okay, dude. Muhammad Abdullah. Yeah, price has been ugly this entire week, says WL. Yeah, honestly, yeah, I've seen a lot of my friends saying the same thing. It's been cleaner during like Asia. I think I should, like I said, I think I'm going to redecorate the background here of my office. I'm going to add a plant, maybe some LEDs, I don't know. Maybe get rid of that TV. Dude, this like price action can make you go insane. Like if you just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. If you My favorite thing ever is when I'm like, oh, the price action's ugly, and then I make a post about that, and then there's always going to be people. Yeah, it's totally fine. I prefer it this way. I'd rather not have everyone agree with me because then that's an issue. But it's always funny when there's people that like are like, no, it's not. It's so good, and then they always like post a screenshot. And it's like MT4, like 0.1 lots that they're cutting out. I don't trust any MT4, MT5 screenshot, neither should anyone else. Like, it's a broker you could literally go in. I mean, that's a platform where you could go in and like go back in time and like look like you made the executions in the past. You can rent a server and then, trick everybody. Because like the fact that the reversal's taking so slow is already annoying. This is a 4-hour Fair Valley gap. That's what I have marked. NQ, making you low of day. Going towards that London low. Meanwhile, ES still never broke this 15-minute leg up. It's a range on the day on ES, you guys. Let's see. Since 9:30, this high, this low, 17 points. Okay. What's the ATR in ES lately? Okay, NQ just took London low. Oh, my little sound. $63 points on ES has been the average true range, and on the daily today, you have a range of about 62 to 39, 23 points. We just took the London low. This is pretty much the last chance for us to have a reversal if now, we want to see some energy to the upside. Otherwise, nothing. So you're getting your first indication of it with this inversion. I'd rather wait, because for me, if I get into a trade, I'm probably going to hold it for a while. So I'd rather wait for some sort of breaker. What is this? 4 hour. And then what was I gonna do? Yeah. We'll see. I guess I'll see which one looks better. Bro, if it doesn't like close above, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Then I'm not gonna enter. I need to close above and then I'll enter the retest. Oh my god. Close right at it. I'm getting ready. I will, like I said, if it's before 11:30, I will try. If it's for me, I need it to close above. Literally not. So it's keeping me safe at the moment, like every time. Right now, that's an SMT. It didn't take that. Uh, like NQ sure closed above this, but I'm kind of looking at this one because this is more of an intermediate term high, lower high to the right and to the left. I'd rather wait for that, honestly. All right, just tapped. Closed above ES. See the two? I'm gonna try ES, you guys. And I'm prepared to stay in this. For like an hour and a half. Either that or I get stopped out in like 5 minutes. And then I'm just done. But I did all the things I wanted to do, so. Thinking maybe now from 12 to, what is it? 1, it gets hit. I'm not going to wait for, a retrace into the fair value gaps because we did that a few times already. Like, it could come back into here. But the thing is, my RR is good enough here. So, let me see here. Let me make that better. I'm an ES. Last trade of the day. Make sure my stop's good. It's a slow. 44.75. Yep. The NQ. She's doing okay. Sorry. Okay. Next, I want this to get hit with displacements above for ES if I'm on the right side. And let's see, if I entered here, D75, no? I enter here this time, 11:12. So let's remember, set a little timer on my clock. This is 30 minutes, so we know how much time has passed. So actually, it's 3 minutes have passed, so I know how much time has passed on it. I do think this could take 2 hours to work out, if I'm right. So it might be a chair. Let chair take the trade for me. Here it's retracing in a 2 minute. I'm not phased about that. It's totally okay. What I like is that, yeah, I'm bullish, so. See if we're finally gonna reverse. I'll bite slowly. Let me measure this out so I can journal while I'm taking this trade. So far, I did not even retrace into 50% of that leg up. It doesn't need to. That's why I'm entering here, because I feel as though we painted up and down so many times that we could just continue up. It's a balanced price range, and my stop is here. SMT over NQ. Yeah, I would put 1 point below because MES being like that. Yeah. Right now, we still didn't even retrace the 50% of the leg up. Right. So that's why I'm just gauging that, being like, okay, I'm not getting worried about this being in a small retracement here. It's still showing it's pretty strong. Not like my stop. It's where three PD arrays would fail. It'd be like fair value gap breaker and swing low. If this works, I'm back green on the day. It really is going to depend on how it reacts to here. And I'm not micromanaging this trade. Yeah. I'm going to do what the chair did. Woo! No, it's probably not going to look that clean. It's going to be like, if it works out, it can still stop me out. Probably going to do this. Let's be real. Because I think it could take like an hour and a half. Take until 1. Or more. Could take all day. I kind of like how the 5-minute looks, though. Looks pretty good. Looks a little cleaner. Came back, filled that FEG on the 5. Now it's expanding again, which looks good. Coming back up. I was in drawdown for about like 3 or 4 minutes. It's not one of those trades where I'm like, oh, I should be immediately in profit, because I know that I'm buying at the extreme in a high resistance liquidity run day. Okay. I was in drawdown for about 6 minutes. Didn't even retrace to the 50% level here. Making a little new local high there. Let's see if NQ starts to follow suit. What time frame is this? The 2 minute? This looks kind of cleaner. See if NQ can break back above N830 open and ES 930. And all this crap on the 15-minute FEG. I think we're looking okay. Looking decent. Let's see, guys. Let's vote. Vote. Start a poll. Because we have time. Where do you think, unless it gets dropped out, then it's probably going to be like a 15-minute. Where do you think my trade will go? TP or SL? Start poll. Those are the only 2 choices that it's going to happen. I'm not putting stops break even today. On this trade, at least. So you go vote. This is the trade. Where'd it go? Here. Yeah, so far so good. You can alert when it's new hive day. What if I hold for all-time highs today? I mean, what do we say? What's this? The average true range on ES has been 60 points, and this is only 18. There's only another 34 points. What if I do this? Maybe I'll hold like 2 for that. I'm fine if it continues gyrating here. Back and forth. I'm fine if it goes back into drawdown, too. If this, if this works out, I'm definitely learning my lesson about, like, rushing into a trade. About like, the earlier 2 trades where, we didn't hit any sell side. Okay, NQ, I'd like to see it make new highs. Making like these equal highs, which are kind of ugly. Yeah, so far it's looking good. It's making new highs. Like I said, I'm not micromanaging this trade today. Really not. Because if I know on a day like this, I mean, just look at my stream with chair cooked. Okay, here NQ is breaking back above those equal highs. It's looking good. It's like now going above that high where I said I would have wanted to. Let's see if it closes above. That would be ideal. Definitely still a mixed heat map. NVIDIA's pretty weak today. Look. Ew. Yes. Up 0.0% on the day. Amazing. I'd like to see NQ close above this. So far, didn't. I'd like to see a displacement there. That would be ideal. Close above 1025. So far, it's looking good. Yeah, it did. Okay. Looking good, you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna keep stream going. And seriously, if it comes down now to my stop loss, I'm not gonna be emotional. Let's see here. Tanya, do you copy trade all your accounts? Pretty much. So NQ, I'd be entering there. And honestly, on NQ, you could probably put your stop there. I don't know. But this is a safe stop. This is the stop if you want to be super, like, precise or whatever. So far, so good. You know, we're in profit. Yeah, if this hits, you guys, we're definitely bringing out the money gun, even though I'm sick, but I want to see this intermediate term high get broken next on ES. It doesn't have to be a displacement, just like break it, it's fine. Where are you at? Right here? Yeah. Which copier do I use? Check my links in the description. Replicanta. Now at this point, I'm literally not even paying attention to whatever's happening on the chart because I don't want to get attached. Don't get attached. Could literally come back to break even. I don't care. You know, it's only up 2 points. I think he was chilling. Looks like an MMBM. I agree. So I'm trying it, you know. I got in around the first accumulation. It's chat voting for my 70% says they think that we'll get to TP. Cool. I feel like I'll hold like 3 for all-time highs. Why not? It depends where, well, if NQ takes this, I'll see where ES is. So it's like looking okay. Guys, how long have we been in this trade now? This says like 25 minutes. Most of the time, you know, I don't see getting stopped out after 25 minutes, so we'll see. Can you trade minis and micros at the same time or replicanto? Yeah, I can. Yeah, right now we're in this 15-minute FEG bearish, so it can retrace again here. We could have a retracement, scary retracement here. Like I said, I'm not doing partials on this trade. I'm not doing stop loss. I still think my direction is correct, so I don't want to get prematurely stopped down a high resistance liquidity run. Like, it could literally take this out and it could still be valid. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Nice 2.75 R in the making, so plus, like, I'm sized a little bit more. Like, right, for my first trade, it was like 75% of normal sizing. My second trade was full sizing. This is full sizing. So, all right, we're crossing this now. So let's see how it goes. I like this. This is showing more bullishness. This intermediate term high is broken. NQ coming back above 830. Ideally, it closes above. We're getting some displacements here, some speed. Finally. I mean, this was actually pretty good too. I did say this is like potentially the start, so when you mark that out, that gives you more confidence for entering in a second leg. Yes, definitely stronger. Go pump it, pump it. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. It's time to get real funky, y'all. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Jeez. The lesson learned is definitely to just remain patient. Clap, 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 clap your hands. I could literally retrace, I don't care. Holding this. I don't think it's time to put stop break even. Oh. Looks good. So my assistant, you're like free to go, it's fine. Everything's looking good, you know. Closing back above 830 for NQ. Yes, you know, we're already above all those levels now. For 930. Yeah, it started after we took the London low on NQ, so it was good to mark that out. I was anticipating a pull back into the 4-hour. And then I said the only way I'd have to switch bearish is if we displaced below that low, and we didn't, right? So just wicked it. Took that sell side. So I'm holding for higher time frame expansion. Cool. See how it goes. See if it works out. Or most likely it does. After it hits new high of day, that's when I'll put my stop or break even. Actually, it's working out faster than I anticipated, honestly. I like that we displaced above this, yeah. Yes. So it doesn't have to, but we did, so that's cool. Inverted this. Oh, let's see. High resistance to the downside, low resistance to the upside. Be something to note, you know. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Listen. Wait, what was this? 575. Actually, this was my stop. Oh, it's more than a 2R. That's cool. More than a 2.7R. It's here. Look at this. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's 2.7 R. I'm just looking at the higher time frame here for a second. Yes. Should I just let chair manage my trade, you guys? Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. I'm just looking at different like projection levels, see if they match up with any highs on the higher time frame. This is simply just like the 4-hour stat map projection level. Let me see on the right, because like that's the thing. It's like should I hold for more? I don't know. Let me think. I need to think for a moment. Hold on. I want all-time highs. I don't know if it'll happen today. Okay, so what I'm going to do is look at different standard deviation projections. Hold on. Okay, so I have this one, but I want to do the breaker to the downside, which is here. So let's see if it matches up. With anything. Lines up pretty well with negative 4.5 of all-time highs. So yeah, I'm gonna probably, let's see on the stat map. Stat map. Inputs. Let's change it to the daily to see where we at. Because the distribution on the 4 hours much higher actually. Daily distribution level is at all-time highs. Yeah, so I might I'll take off like 10 that area, then I'll keep 5 for the rest. I feel like I should. So yeah. That's what I'll do. Take off 10 at like 2.6. Leave the rest for actually I like this. Whoa. This standard deviation projection and that's kind of cool. Aligns with this. So just like a few points below all-time highs. I'll hold 5 for 4.5 R. How's that, you guys? For a banger. If that hits, then we're definitely bringing out the money gun. Yeah, so far so good. Can't lie. Can't lie. So far, so good. 3 up, 5 points, 5 handles handled. See us like invert. We did the invert on the 15. That's looking all good. It's good. Looking good. Let's see, NQ, continue. And not be a baby. Q about to invert this on the next 15-minute candle, most likely. Oh, bum, bum. So far, we're 40 minutes into this trade. Right? Oh, okay, yeah. This is an hour. Okay. For some reason, I thought that this clock was 30 minutes. Yeah. Hmm. We're running. We're running. Market maker buy model. Send it. Market maker buy model. Send it to the moon. God. From here to New Hive Day, what is it? That does line up with 2. So 2R. At New Hive Day. So at this point, it's a 2R. Five-minute looks good. Let me put 5-minute on this. It looks sick. Okay. Looks pretty sick. What am I doing right now? No, it's a drink of water. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I wanted to see the stat map back on the 4-hour. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until NQ hits New Hive Day too. This is 2.7R. I don't know what this one is, 4.7 or whatever it is. I hate it when it does it like this. Okay. 0.5 R. All right. Makes sense because that is 4.5 extension of that leg, and I basically bought at the top of that leg because I was like, it's a balanced price range. She doesn't have to return. So what's going on here? Yeah, that. Like I said, I'm staying in any retracements. Even if it comes back all the way to break even, I'm staying in this. And if I've been waiting all day, even if I have to stream all afternoon, we actually have well, hey, if I have to leave for my meeting at 1 and this still isn't hit, then I'm just going to let chair take over for me, you know? I should order Uber Eats. Ba-dum. Let's continue watching on this. So, coming back into the inversion on the 15, it's fine. Yeah, and key retracing, I don't think it inverted the 15 yet. No. So it's retracing. It's fine. It could literally come back down into here again. I don't care. It can literally stop me out. I don't care. Is there any news happening? This is like a huge move down. A large move down here. 1154. See, today is Friday. No, I don't see anything. Kind of a huge move, yeah. So, yes, we're still in profit. In Q, that trade, you'd be in drawdown. It's still valid. I'd be kind of concerned if NQ took out this low. Intermediate term low. Completely rebalance this, right? Yeah. This low, 983. What's this high? 982.75. But still valid. Still valid for longs. A little scary. As I anticipate, honestly. Literally coming back to my break even. Yeah, NQ's breaking that low, but let's see how it reacts to it. It's going to close below it. On the 2. Staircase up, elevator down. The wicks it still okay. I'm definitely a little weirded out. I'm in 2 points drawdown now. Went from being up 6 points to 2 points drawdown. Market makers drop their sandwich on the keyboard. I'm gonna look at Twitter to see if there's any crazy news. Thing is, if you're going for these larger RRs, you have to be okay holding retracements. Especially in the price like today. So let's see. So it's not like LR to the upside for sure. Trump is talking, bro. I didn't know he was talking. What the heck? Oh well. I get stopped out, I don't care. I'm holding it. We didn't even close below that. We're wicking this. Let's see. Seriously, if I get stopped out, I don't really care. I'm just gonna call it the L that it needs to be. Back in this 2-minute. See how it reacts here. Ideally, we just wick this on NQ, which it kind of looks like it is, and we wick this on ES. I'm down 2 points, 2.5 points. Long ideas are still okay. Still valid. Still in. It's been 50 minutes in this trade. 5-0. So went to 1R approximately, like 1.1R, retraced to negative 0.5R. Now back to break even. See if we reverse back up from here after completely rebalancing this. I'm still in the longs. Dun, dun, dun. On the 5-minute, held the upper half of this breaker too. Dun, dun, dun. Yep. But this is pretty much last line in the sand, I'd say. Like, if we come back and take out this low again, I'll probably, I'll assume I'll get stopped out. Hands are in the air. I'm not micromanaging this shit, like I said. Why? Because I anticipated after the morning's action, we're going to have high resistance. So if you trail your stops, you're going to get stopped out. So, either take that 1R or hold. This is what I'm doing. I'm just going to hold. Don't love that Trump is speaking, but whatever. How do I know exactly what time he's speaking? We should redo the vote now. Anya, save yourself before you get stopped out. Nah, I'm holding this. I'm holding it. You notice how this is just wicking this? This is weird. This is interesting. Look. Oh, I'm glad I'm in ES, not in Q, honestly. Let's see here. Set an alarm at 1 p.m. You have to leave for a meeting. I'm still in the longs. Back at break even again. I don't know why that's giving me an alert. It's not something I care that much about. Oh, the breaker from earlier. Let's do a revote. Vote. Stop loss or take profit. It's lunchtime. And Q. Breaking new low. No, it's not good. Well, about to break the new low. You see the other. Yeah, NVIDIA is so weak. I'm having to learn if NQ breaks new low day. It's really not looking good. Wait, what? Yeah, this. Tapped London low, almost tapped London low again. Back at break even. 76% of people are voting, saying that my stop loss will get hit. All right, we'll find out. I'm staying with the trade though. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with this. Find out right now. NQ. Even hit that low, by the way. NQ needs to reverse like now. I don't know though. Looking at I'm gonna look at NVIDIA to see if there's any kind of bounce or liquidity sweep it could take soon. At break even. The fact of the matter is, did that. Thing is, it didn't inverse this. It's looking bleak. Looking bleak. Let's see here. NVIDIA. NVIDIA's down 2%. Pretty much around break even still. This timer is about to go off. I've been in this trade for an hour. And I'm break even. So unless I start seeing more, this is where I'm kind of evaluating whether to stay in this. And break even, if it was going to be any good, we would have already been here. I don't like these reactions to this 2 minute. So back and forth, it's annoying. The 15 minutes, so indecisive. The 5 minute, okay. Again, it's indecisive. I need a hold. What's the heat map look like? Trash. Mm. Mm. I know, bro. I'm debating now because we're not reversing. We could just slowly grind lower. Especially I was in the trade for an hour and then I came back to break even. But that's crap. Almost not worth it anymore. One, two, where's this 2 minute? 1, 2, 3. We gotta start moving higher now, or else I'll probably end up cutting this for break even. So I'd like to see us break above this high. So I'm thinking about, okay, 1, 2, okay, yeah. I don't know what. I'm back up to break even right now. I should just let Cher. Cher, you got the reins. You know what's fascinating is NQ did not take me low day. Like still on this NQ trade, it would have came like 1 point within stopping you out. What's this low? 72. What's this low? 70.25. Bro, what? No, Nick is telling me to end the stream. I'm in a trade, dude. I'm in this trade for a while now, Nick. Nick, this is a 2-minute breaker on ES. Came back to break even. It's been an hour in this trade. I'm not loving this anymore. Where's ENQ? I want ES to break above this now. Otherwise, if it comes back into here, it'll probably be cooked. Guys, I'm at break even. This is amazing. This is amazing. Like I said though, I said I'd be okay if it retraced to break even. Dude, can you like break above that high? Let me know. Let me see. We're just on the hourly being a piece of shit. I think it's just high resistance, move higher still. No? It's an inside candle on the 4 hour. On the hourly, where's my stops at 44.75, which is like previous hour low. It's like probably not the best, but that is the SMT. And the start of the leg up. So. I'm gonna hold this. Well, let's see here again. Let's see, we're back here. Ideally, we break above this high. What's NQ doing? Bro, she's so lethargic. Wake up, NQ. Break above the high. Okay. It's making an equal high. Keep going. Keep going, NQ. Well, back up to net positive 2 points. So it was just negative 2 points. Now break even, net positive 2 points. You know, NQ never even hit. It still didn't hit the stop. You know, did not hit low of day from where I'd marked out that leg, the start of that leg. But it is a crazy, crazy structure. Crazy structure there for sure. I know I would not be shorting this. When you see something like this and or it retraces so like it's taking its sweet time retracing now, it's like likely going to take out this high, honestly. It's a crazy day. I'll let the chair take care of it for me then. Look at me, I'm overthinking too much. People that are shorting stopped here are going to get wiped. My humble opinion. I love being uncomfortable. It's the best part of trading. Embrace it. Everybody shorting this on NQ, good luck. Good luck, bro. All right, well, what are we doing now? Deep ass retracement, still held. I'm gonna hold this trade. Bum, bum, bum. Let's see NQ here on the 2, on the 1. Let's see. Oh, it didn't pump. Didn't continue pumping. Crazy drop again. Dude, this is crazy. Back to break even again. Bruh. Uh-oh. NQ new low day. No follow through to the upside. That's a crazy ass wick to the upside there. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they get wicked out. Look at NQ there. One, two, third time this is retracing this fair value gap. Unlikely to hold that time. This market's not even good, bro. It's not good. I don't know. I feel like I'm being punked for real. Not going anywhere. Let's see this hourly. Inside bar. Literally not going to do anything. It's probably going to stop me out, actually. It's like a wick. Beginning of this 15-minute candle. I hate this, you guys. Yeah, now I am reconsidering. Isn't that funny how this position just keeps changing every 2 minutes? It's like this, fuck this price action, for real. My god, it came back above. Again and again and again. What am I trying to do right now? Dude, I can't even think right now. It's just crazy. Video doing? Is it still dropping? I feel like this is a lose-lose situation. No matter what decision I make, I'm gonna feel like shit afterwards, unless it goes to TP. Like, okay, if I cut it early, if it goes up, I'm gonna feel like shit. If it goes to stops me out, well, actually, if it stops me out, I don't really care too much. I'll be only mildly annoyed. But, yeah. If I cut it break even, it goes to my target, I'll be really annoyed, you know? So, it really is. I'm just trading chop and kind of like, it is basically 50-50 at this moment. NQ's made new low. SMT is there. But like, you know, it's What's to stop ES from making you low? I don't want to micromanage it. I kind of just want to walk away and let the chair do the job. I'm so tired. I said I didn't want to micromanage it. On the 5, what's going on here? Still holding 50% of that breaker, dude. Yeah. No, I'd feel really like shit if this is like if I cut it and then it goes to my take profit later, you know, and it wouldn't have stopped me out. So I said I could take 2 hours, so I guess I'm gonna hold. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this shit. If I get wicked out, whatever. What's this low again? Yeah, 75. It's like fucking crazy. I don't know. Do you take the time stop? Do you hold it? Never broke this. This is an intermediate term low. Could totally do it. And shitty freaking high resistance liquidity run conditions. Clean this up a bit. This might be the longest I've been in a trade on stream. Because when did I enter this? Like 11:05? 11:05. No, here. 11:10. An hour and 20 minutes into this trade. It's honestly crappy. The conditions are not good. I know that. Like, does it? It's probably not worth it to hold it. Third time back in this. 1, 2, 3. It's probably not going to work out. I mean, this is still weak. And NVIDIA is still making new lows. My god. So annoying. What's the daily look like? Insane. Oh, it's lunchtime. Like, Nvidia's about to hit yesterday's low, so negative 0.5 R. Like, do I take this negative $200? Such an odd day. Like, I feel as if, yeah, it's more of a coin flip now, for sure. So, I might have to make the decision to cut it. I'm basically, well, I'll base it off this 5-minute candle. And this shit's going lower. I mean, it's likely I'm gonna get stopped. We'll see. This 5-minute candle, if it closes below midpoint of that, then I'll close this shit. Or 2-minute candle. The 2-minute candle, if it closes below midpoint of this, actually. I guess that's what I gotta do. Time is at 12:41. Didn't close below. 1, 2, 3. Like, it's probably not gonna work out. This is an insane 15-minute candle and taking out the previous low, closing back in. I love trading on hard mode. So fun. Well, looks like I'm still in this trade, so. What if I leave the stream on again? Let the chair trade for me. Stop loss or TP. The current situation of the trade. Let's see. Open P&L. Open. -2. Yep, -2.25. Boom, boom, boom. I can't believe it displaced like this and then just completely reversed. Oh my god, you guys, this is hell. Look at NQ just sweeping that and not even displacing, you know. Just literal hell. Let's see, NVIDIA still going towards yesterday's low. Very close to it. I'm thinking out of fib. Literally, if we close below, I'll get out. It's just not worth it anymore for me. Below 50%. Make sure I have the correct. Okay, so if it closes below 47.75 on the 2-minute before 1 p.m., then I'll get out. If not, I'm holding this. I'll probably leave the freaking stream on till after my meeting. It's like truly insane. Bum 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 ba-da-da, bum ba-da-da, bum. The longest freaking trade ever, bro. Even the 3-minute's been wicking it, you know? And the 5. Oh my god. I entered on the 2-minute. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna stay in this. I gotta go to the bathroom. Back. Did anything good happen? No. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. The next minute, if we close below that, I'm cutting my trade. For like whatever it's going to be, 0.5 R, negative 0.5 R, negative 0.6 R, I don't care. 0.8R, I don't care. 3 points. Let's see. Which level am I looking at? It's 4775. To close below it. Close. Can't read. Yep, it did. I hate to do it, you guys, but I gotta do it. It's no point. So I gotta close this for -3 points. Fuck it. I didn't want to continue expanding. Had like so many chances. I gave it so many chances. NQ's still super weak. NVIDIA here, so -0.6R there. NVIDIA is going so low. We tried. It's not going to do it. It's not giving us near the highs, so YOLO. Not YOLO, but you know. You give it a try. So I cut it for -3 points. 3.25. I gave it so much time to reverse. I gave it so much room. The thing is, like, yeah, it could come back here and come back into this 15-minute now and take out that stop and wick it and still freaking be bullish. It's just, so that's why it's not worth it anymore. It came back 1, 2, 3 times into this fair value gap. Wasn't looking bullish again, you know, rejected here. I gave it a lot until here. So I guess I'll just say, looks like it's dripping more, so turns out it's probably going to be the correct decision. You can't get married to one trade. The longer I was in that trade, the more I was getting like married to it. So I'm happy I was able to cut it finally. I don't know. I think, yeah, the fact now that we took out this low is bad. That was an intermediate term low. RIP, it's fine. Be like that sometimes. Sometimes you gotta just say it be like that. So it looks like that was probably the right decision. As we're leaking lower. Or where it was like 1 hour into the trade, I was at break even. That was also the tell. Whatever, better to take a -0.5R and then a full R, or a break even and a full R loss. And there it is. That stop would have gone taken out anyway. Happened pretty quickly after the close. So that was a good decision, I guess. They gave it so much time. So I saved some money there, I guess. Ooh, this price action's janky. We're on the 3-minute close below the here. So what's wild is that like people, those that were bearish, on NQ, that wasn't clean either. So the TJIF just played out. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. That was painful to just like to cut it, and I cut it. So small losses are a pleasure, as they say. Just dumping more. Well, right in time for my meeting. I cut it before, so at least I managed that right. Just went to 1R. I'm fine with taking a 0.5R loss and not taking profit because this could have easily continued higher as well. So this is crazy. Not an easy market here. Because we just keep retracing. Internal to external, back to internal. Internal looks like it's going to go for external, and then it completely retraces again. So, like, who would, after seeing this candle and seeing this candle close above, think bearish? Not me, so that's fine. We live for another day. We have to wait for next week, I suppose, for more upside. Damn. Damn. Here at 12:29, when NQ broke that, where was ES at? Yeah, same place where I cut it. Actually, I cut it for a little bit better. So around the same. LLL on the longs today. I'm gonna go in 2 minutes. I'm just kind of I don't know, taking a second to chill out. Could have been worse. Could have taken massive. Not massive, but could have taken full R. Whatever. Down $1,000 trying to look for longs today. Multiple accounts, so whatever you want to multiply that shit to, I don't care. Let's see. Actually, on the last trade, well, it's not too bad. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, it's like nothing, so whatever. If 3 trades go wrong and I'm down 1,000, that's nothing, so it's fine. It's a hard knock life, though, for sure. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, yeah, if you want to multiply it all out, you guys, I'm down $13,000 if you want to. Anyway, it's 1 p.m. But honestly, I don't. The worst thing to do is to look at it that way. Because it's the same thing. I don't multiply it when I'm up $26,000 in a day. Oops. Still love you. Yeah, there's not much you can do here. I mean, what's crazy is that NQ, I don't know, when it took out this low, the London low, and it had that reversal, it looked so good. For real. The London low, and then this reversal, that looked really good. And then this was crazy. Yeah, that was when you guys said Trump was speaking. They don't want you to win. It's fine. Trump was speaking, I still didn't get stopped out, and then I was monitoring it. I was like, it better close above this, and then I was looking for more upside. It just wasn't following it, so I cut it earlier. So, whatever. The party ended earlier today. I have to go. And we'll be back next week. It's fine. It's not the end of the world, but it is annoying when, when price actions like this for a few days in a row. Just gotta chill. I'll put out a video journaling these trades for sure. I think I do want to say, like, the first couple trades, yeah, probably not the best, but this trade I'm fine with. Well, yeah, have a good weekend, you guys. Please, honestly, don't be a degenerate with this price action. It's freaking crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if we just keep wicking lows and coming back into the range and driving everyone crazy. And the worst thing to do on a Friday is to over trade range bound action. So, whatever. Freaking, I'm sure a lot of people were begging me to stop out. I wonder if, Larry, I did listen. I didn't listen to you, but I was just following what I was saying about closing below 50%. And that was it. It's typically hanging around. This should have been a measuring gap or like a breakaway. And it's like, okay, if it wicked it, then really this should have been the low, and the rest is history. And when it came back so many times, you just know it's not gonna freaking work out. There's no more juice. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I'll see you guys later. It's not much. What is the range here for the day still on ES? Good luck in the afternoon if you're trading it. This is 23 points to the downside. So far, I mean, it could, if it wants to, it could continue lower. And then what was here? 150 points. All in all, it's a tiny range. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done for the weekend, though. Good luck if you're trading this. I'm done. I'll be back next week. And I'll see you back here. I mean, seriously, it's just, you're not going to have a good day every day. So, what?